Toma Gaming. Hello? Sonic, what are you doing here? I'm sleeping. Wait a second. I think I know what happened last time. Okay, let's see. Is there something in your house? No, Sonic, no. I'll be back. What? Herobrine, what are you doing here? And why you said a line from Terminator movie? Oh, this from Terminator. Sorry. This line from Terminator. I said because this is my favorite movie. It's your favorite movie? Yes. Let's get this light, shall we? Haha. Easy. To make it more clear, I'm coming from something really special. What does that even mean? Yes. You're gonna see. We're gonna see with the fight. Wanna fight? Come on. Ha. Oh. And gotta go fast. What? No. Oh yeah. Great job, Sonic. No problem. Haha. Oh yeah. Sorry guys for this short adventure, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. If you want more longer episode, let me know in the comments, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye.